So hey guys, hi, this is Steve Singh Hanspal teaching you about Java. For that, we are now going to check how to go for Java. Now I have done it. Okay, so over here you can write something like Java download for Windows 11. While download, when you have written that, you will see that you have got a thing called as Java download Oracle. So basically, Oracle owns Java. That's why downloading it from there, it will be much safer than any other app. Okay, just click on Java download. Now click on Windows and click on the compressed archive. When you download it, basically over here, you will get the file or this file basically will see reflect something like this. After so you get this kind of file, you just have to uh, basically you just have to right click over here to extract here. When you just extract this thing, you will find a folder called as JDK the hyphen 23.0.1. Basically over here, this is used for the installing of JDK. Just copy this, go inside the program for files. Over here, just paste it. All right, guys. So I was just telling you how to install this thing over here. Just go in your program files and paste that for folder. You will see that same folder what I have pasted over here. Now, just go inside that folder, go inside the pen, copy this whole, click over here, just click on copy. All right. Now, along with that, just over here in your that search for environment. You will get something like this. You just have to open that. After that, you just have to click on environment variable, then click on path and click on edit. Now I have done it for Hindi also. That's why it is there. I have done that thing for the Spanish also, and I'm doing that thing again for the English. Over here, you can click on edit. No, not the edit one, not the new, and just paste that address. And then you just have to press enter. Enter. After that, just click on delete. No, don't click on delete. It's just for me as I have done that thing means 2 times. That's why please don't click on delete and just click on OK. Okay. Now over here, just go on your desktop. Okay, so basically just go for a new folder. Now over here, I'm just naming it as Java E. Enter. Okay, open your VS Studio Code in the open folder. Okay, now just go on your desktop. Click on Java E. What is Java E? Basically, Java English. I have just the videos of Hindi also, along with that, the videos for Spanish. That's why are now over here. You might have got the thing like this. Then you just have to click. Okay, first of all, we have to check Java is installed properly or not. For that, click on Window and R together. Over here, write CMD and press enter. Then just write down Java. The best option over here, if you get these kind of lines, that means Java is installed properly. Now, if you want to go for it very thoroughly, you can go for this thing like hyphen version. You will get the version over here. Okay, in the interviews, you just have to go for Java space hyphen version. All right, now just let me just scroll it down. Click a new file. I'm just naming my first file as first only. First dot Java. Java is the extension. What is required to identify that this is a Java file? Click over here, enter. Now, just remember whatever the file name it is, you just have to go for that name only. Okay, and there's a mutual rule between all the developers that the first letter of the file name will always be capital, as we are expecting that this is the biggest class. That's why over here Now just click on first, press enter, public static void main. Okay, I will be explaining you all these things in future classes. Now, today we are just trying to learn the installation part. Along with that, we are just trying to understand the basics of it. That's why after that, just write down. Okay, so let me just go for a very short summary. Over here, this is the class. Now, if you are coming from C++ languages, like over there, you don't make a class inside the main. The main in Java is enclosed in, what do you say, in a class. So the possibility of, what do you say, hacking is reduced to almost like 60 to 70%. Now over here, public means everyone can see that. Static means no one can create an object. Okay, void means nothing. Literally, void means nothing. Okay, main means the program will be started from here. After that, string is the data type that will be discussed afterwards. ARGS is just a variable name. You can name it as anything. I'm just naming it as A. It is not a problem. I'm just naming it as AR. It's not a problem. You can even write your name. Like my name is Jasdeep Singh. I can write even my name over here, Jasdeep Singh. Okay, that doesn't mind anything. All right. Now over here, we are going for the system. In the system, the S is always capital. Why? Because system is the a huge class in Java. That's why. So the basically developers of Java has termed systems S as capital to identify that this is the biggest class. After that, we are just pressing enter. We are writing out, print, ln. Over here, we are writing hello world. Welcome to Tech Genius Indian. We will go for some go to a thing. Subscribe to Tech Indian Genius. All right, now let's just press enter. The semicolon indicates, okay, we are finished. We don't want to go for a forward thing. We are finished over here. Just to the compiler, we are saying that we are finished over here. We don't want to go in the next line. All right, now just open your terminal. But okay, over here now, basically Java, the file name first.java. Okay, so basically over here, you are not seeing any file except the first.java. But the moment I press enter, you will see one more file called as first.class. That is a bytecode that the bytecode was introduced in Java as in the C language. We were facing a lot of problem while we were doing the programming. Now, if your computer is 16-bit, your code will be able to run in 64-bit, but suppose your computer is 64-bit. Now 64-bit is the processing speed of the processor. Now if your computer is 64-bit, over there the 16-bit computer might not work. Means 16-bit will not work properly in the whole thing. It will not be able to process the data. So just to avoid that kind of the situation, we in Java, we were introduced with a topic called as bytecode. Over here, now we are pressing enter. The moment I press enter, you got the file first.class. Now that first.class is what? The bytecode. If you open that, the same program will be printed over there, but the difference is that this explains the computer in the 0101 format. Okay, now what's the full form of Java? In an interview, they will ask you the full form of Java is Java compiler. After that, we are writing Java and the file name. If you write that, you are getting the same line over here. This is the basically this is the first video of this of Java. Okay, if you want to see this thing in Hindi also is available. Spanish, we will be launching it soon. Along with that, we are launching that thing in French also. Okay, so this whole thing is dedicated to the Android coding. That's why. Okay, so now if you like the video, please leave a like along with that subscribe the channel for the next video. Thank you guys. That was great.